This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring iOS is current and you have the email and password for the calendar account. Open Settings and tap Calendars then Accounts, or open the Calendar app and tap Add Account to start. Select the correct provider, iCloud, Google, Exchange, Yahoo, or other, CalDAV, because each uses different sync options. Enter credentials and allow calendar access when prompted. This authorizes the iPhone to fetch events. Once done, confirm the new account appears under Accounts so you can control sync settings. Next, you configure how events sync and what you see. In Settings, tap Passwords and Accounts, then the account and toggle Calendars on. This enables sync. Make sure Fetch New Data uses push where available, or set a preferred interval for fetch so updates arrive promptly. Once enabled, open Calendar, tap Calendars, and check or uncheck individual calendars to control visibility. This lets you combine work, personal, and shared calendars without clutter. Make sure Default Calendar and Time Zone support match the calendars you added. Finish by testing. Open Calendar and pull down to refresh so the new accounts push events immediately. Create a test event on your iPhone and verify it appears on the original service. Then create one on the service and confirm it arrives on the iPhone. If events don't show, make sure Calendar toggle is on, your internet works, and fetch/push settings are correct. If issues persist, remove and re-add the account or reset network settings. That often resolves stubborn sync conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.